Hey, long time no talk. I know there's poor lighting in here. I'm using my phone flashlight for my lighting. Um, so yeah, I wanted to get on here, just kind of like fill you in on what's been going on with me lately. Um, so my motivation has been caused, my lack of motivation, sorry, my lack of motivation has been caused by my ADHD. Um, so there is a name for it, and I'm gonna try my hardest to pronounce it because my speech sucks. um, ADHD paralysis, and I'm butchering it probably. Um, so if you don't know what it is, it's basically you're feeling like you're stuck, you're frozen, you can't make decisions, you can't move at all. You're stuck in your brain, and um, I've been going through this recently for a week and a half, on and off. I call them episodes. Basically, I'd be sitting on my bed in my thoughts and whatever, staring at whatever, not realizing it's been 2 hours. I'm like, yo, okay. um, I'm having a tough time doing like laundry. I can't do certain tasks without feeling overwhelmed. I'm exhausted over like nothing. Really, there's things going up here that is exhausting. So, um, if anyone is dealing with this issue as well, there's executive dysfunction, and then there's the rejection sensitive dysphoria. Yeah, those are a bitch. So yeah, if anybody at all is going through that, please tell me in the comments, because lately now people have been speaking up about it, and honestly, it's quite refreshing to know that I'm not going crazy. Well, every time I go in that room, I have my backdrop up there. I had it all set up. I just need to get my, you know, camera stuff or whatever. I don't only have a camera, I have a laptop. I need to get everything set up and shit, because I could not clean up my rooms because of this issue I'm having. Minus the thyroid issue with my legs, which I will say they are gradually starting to kind of loosen up enough to stretch, but when I stretch, it's a major owie. Okay, they hurt so much. The knots, they're like deep in my thighs. It's like, this is when you need like a good like deep tissue massage or something. But it hurts like a mother effer. Okay, so yeah, I deal with sore legs after having to stretch them all the time. But yeah, I hadn't made this open a lot. So I'm on a weight loss medication because my thyroid has been interfering with my weight loss. I wasn't able to lose weight. It's been sticking at the same number. And I'm like, what do I do? So, spoke to my doc about it. Finally, she like felt my legs because I was telling her how much they were bothering me. That I'm not exaggerating kind of thing. So, after checking them out, she's like, okay, I'm gonna put you on a medication. It's a medication that my insurance is able to cover, which is nice. So I am on 30 milligrams on what I'm on. Again, speech issue. I'm gonna butcher this again. Fermanine. if you know what I'm talking about. um, so yeah, so far I've been losing. I lost 13 pounds. Yeah, and so the first 2 months, because I had to be on it for 3 months before I saw my doctor to follow up with things. Um, I lost 10 pounds, but it took my body to, 2-ish months to adjust. Because there was a lot of fluctuating issues going on there, but finally my body was just like, okay, now it's starting to kind of work. It's starting to work, So, yeah, so now I'm on this 30 milligram, and there's pros and cons. So, the dry mouth. I feel like I have cotton in my mouth. Right now it's okay. I can actually talk this time. For a while I'm just like, I don't know if anyone will be able to understand what I'm saying. But right now I feel like, okay, I'm actually able to talk without, so this is my excuse to actually drink water. I'm terrible at remembering to drink enough water, So yeah, there's that. There's the fatigue. And then yeah, so I had to think a moment, because I'm tired. Sorry. It's a little bit late. My heart rate, it feels like it's coming out of my chest sometimes. So the doctor told me it's actually normal to keep calm about it, don't freak out. And I'm like, okay. So she had told me that it does, it can interfere with your ADHD and bipolar and all that. So I'm like, okay, so far it's been alright. So, I mean, I've been dealing with the executive dysfunction and all that stuff way before this medication, so I just didn't know what it was until recently, and I'm like, oh, so that's what it was. Because, again, I was sitting on my bed for 2 hours, not even realizing, and I'm like, okay, looked up on Google, what I've been feeling, and sure enough, yeah, it popped right up. I'm like, oh, okay. But yeah, I've been watching a lot of TikTok videos, because my cousin was telling me, there's a lot of it going on. She even has it. She's 17. She's 17. She's already going through that. I'm like, oh gosh. It's like, she knows that when she becomes an adult, like me, it's like a kind of wonky. So at least she knows, and what to do when she gets into that, situation. Sorry. Good. So there is tricks to get out of it that I'm learning gradually, because it's not as easy as it is. Of course, stay hydrated, so I make sure I have water next to me, cold water. Snacks, make sure I have something in me. I have to, move my hands. I have to do something, even play my game. Just do something to help, move. Even have snacks with fiber in it. That will help you get up. Because, I have IBS, so, yeah. That does help. But then, it's like, after that, I go back to my room. Hopefully tempting to do my laundry. No. Speaking of laundry, I should do that tomorrow. Or today, I should say, because it's after midnight or whatever. So, I should do that. So I have clean clothes to wear. But yeah, so that's what I've been dealing with. And it sucks. And I'm sorry it's been a while since I've actually talked on here. Hope you're all doing well. And again, please comment down below if you've been dealing with the same issues as me. And please hit the like button. Okay? It gives us points all YouTubers. It gives us points and gets our videos recognized. So please hit the like button, okay? And if you like me, because I have stuff that I want to do, I have things planned, please subscribe, okay? So you're not missing out, okay? Sure on top? Okay, so I'm gonna go to bed now. Just want to pop out on here. So I hope you're all doing well and sleep well. You know, it's whatever day, time, whatever it is you're watching us. And I will see you shortly. Bye, y'all.